డిఫెన్స్ కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వాహనాల్ని వీక్షిస్తున్నారు.
Last year during flood operations in Punjab. So this vehicle can go to places like marshlands, desert areas, mountainous terrain,
Floods.
and this is primarily used for flood rescue operations. This can run for 65 hours without any refueling, and it has got 330 liters of fuel tank and dual battery for redundancy.
How many you have released as of now?
Sorry, sir.
How many you have produced?
How many vehicles?
We have
vehicles.
already produced 124, sir. 96 are running
124 is
in Indian Army with Air Force as well. They're also being operated in UN missions, sir.
So for any civilian application?
Yes, sir. For civil
Punjab
application, for
floods.
rescue and
Only
relief
Punjab.
operations.
But Punjab also given from only from army only, na sir?
No,
No, no.
Punjab government also taken.
Government has taken.
Disaster.
Our disaster management will take one of them.
And what is the cost of this vehicle?
So this is 1.8 CR excluding GST.
Any export you're making now, ma'am?
Not yet, sir. We are manufacturing it for India.
Sir, you have to do an export unit here, sir. Export manufacturing unit.
Where you manufacturing, where you are doing?
We
Chandigarh.
In Chandigarh, sir. Sir.
We'll work it out.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Thank you, sir. And sir,
So this is one model of that.
Photography, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
దాని మీదనా?
Oh, yes, sir. Please. Just mind this, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is put our foot here. Yes, or no?
yes, sir. You can do it.
It doesn't have that.
Conventional steering system. It operates with this.
Okay.
Yes, and when you have to turn the vehicle, you can lock the one side and it simply rotates with the turns.
This
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And it has got 98 liters of fuel tank, sir. Plus it has got 58 liters of additional fuel canister in each wheel.
What is the speed?
What is it? The speed is 45 kilometers per hour.
Maximum speed is
1
45.
is 5 kilometers per hour.
So the speciality of this is that the tire is air pressurized, and the engine is producing the air, and continuously the air is going to the tire. So if it goes, if a man's foot is there, the tire can go on it and nothing will happen. You will not feel it. It is so soft because the air goes out, and then as it becomes full, then again that's why it can climb any stone, anything, and it is like that. Am I right?
Yes, you're right, sir. It's got ultra low pressure tires.
Ultra low pressure.
And it doesn't require any special preparation when it moves from one surface to the other. As in from the land to the water, we simply have to reduce the tire pressure by just sitting here in the cabin, and then it is ready to float in the water. That is how it could save those lives in Punjab region.
Okay, good. Very nice. Good experience for us.
తీసుకోండి గుడ్
Go there, show the cars. So these are the new cars that we are manufacturing. This is MG Magister. This is a very strong car, very, very high quality. We recently, today only, this month only we are launching. July only, no? Yeah. This is a very popular electric car, sir. In India, this is the number one electric car that we are selling under the MG brand. This is very, very. This is all made in Baroda.
How many you are making a
1 lakh, 1,20,000. Now this year, next year we'll make 2 lakh cars. Yes. And then grow. This is another very nice car, sir. This CM Maharashtra is also taken, and we have made it bulletproof for him. So just show that. This is a very comfortable car. Captain seats, and it can fully recline.
These are fully. Yeah.
Come. It's fully manufactured here, sir, and fully electric. And
This is a bulletproof, sir.
this one is not, but it will be converted into bulletproof.
What is
For
it?
CM, sir.
Here we have the massager seats, heat and the ventilation seats for all the seat.
Acha. That also.
Yes, sir.
What is the cost of this car?
About 80 lakhs?
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. Yeah. And if you make it bulletproof, maybe another 10 or 20 lakh rupees more.
That's all.
Then it becomes bulletproof. So 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 20 lakhs.
1.2 nearly.
1.2,
Yes.
it will become bulletproof. Sir.
And now also it's Euro NCAP 5-star is
So, sir,
very
in
hard
fact,
material.
in every city, one car for CM can be.
At least more 3 regions, 3 cars.
Yeah.
Then it will come.
Yes, sir. More than
3 regions, 3 cars.
3 cars. Then it can come. Yeah, correct.
Hub and spoke.
Correct. Yeah, hub and spoke. Yeah.
We'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
Equal to Toyota welfare model?
Half
So
of
bigger
that.
than that, sir, actually.
The
Bigger than
size is
150
bigger,
than
but
Welfare.
price is half.
Price is half of the Welfare.
That is 1.8.
1.8.
That is 1.8.
He's saying 80 lakhs plus 20 lakhs bulletproof.
Bulletproof. Then becomes bulletproof.
Around 1.
Welfare 1.8.
1.8.
Now we'll change it. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
We'll work it out.
And it's very comfortable and electric, sir. No
and
fuel.
also working and also very.
Yeah.
In a single charge, it will give up to 450 on road, sir.
Only
One charge.
one charge.
Acha.
500 kilometers.
So we'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
I want to have this.
Yes, sir. Any other car is there? That's,
Riding also more comfortable electric car.
Yes, sir. It's very smooth and easy to
Smooth,
drive,
no?
actually.
Yeah, smooth also.
This is Cyberstar, sir, sports car.
Sports car.
This is like a
0 to 100
Ferrari.
in 3.2 seconds.
I have this in Bombay. I drive sometimes. It's very fast.
Just for sir.
Just for-
What is the speed?
It can go up to, I think, 300 kilometers.
So 280 is
250.
the top speed and 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. 725 Nm of torque. Equal to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Good research you have done.
Yes.
I thought only steel man.
Still, everybody knows me because that is my original thing. But these are all new ideas. Now I'm also working on rockets. Sir.
No, why can't you make it? I created Space City in Tirupati.
In Tirupati.
IIT,
IIT, I am the chairman of IIT Tirupati.
You can make it IIT, Tirupati and ISA. I'm starting one AP first.
Okay.
Innovations.
Okay.
Both institutes.
Yeah, Satyanarayana told me,
Yeah,
Professor.
I told you.
Yeah, I told
Now there I am starting Space City.
Okay.
Near there.
Near the IIT.
5,000 acres of land.
Oh,
Huge land.
for Space City. So we'll make there only.
Yeah, the excellent.
Best. It's the best
The
place.
future is energy also you can supply from sun.
Correct.
That is the
That's what Elon Musk says, no? He'll
can
set
do
up the data centers in the space.
not only data centers. Energy people are saying after 200 kilometers, 20 times higher energy from sun.
Correct. Correct.
You can send it to
the
laser,
ground.
Laser technology. To
Yeah,
home.
to home. So every home from there distribute from directly.
Why don't you do it?
Yeah. Huge.
Replacement of DTH, sir.
Yeah.
Huge opportunity.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
think what?
we have, you know,
Do some
working,
research.
already working on it.
No,
sir.
no, I'm very happy. Why
Yes.
can't you make it that Space City?
I will, that only. Now it is decided.